Good morning, Farzan. We are on page number 15, chapter 4. We had learned the rules of pronouns the other day, if you remember. Yeah? I'd shown you a video. We had learned rules, how to use pronouns, right?
Ma'am, the grammar book.
The grammar book, page number 15.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, it's already 9:30 and people are late. Let's begin the class. So first we are going to do personal pronouns. Personal pronoun means which are related to us or somebody else. So if the noun is being used for the speaker, then the noun will be, so who's the speaker right now? I am talking, no? So I am the speaker. So for me, I will use I, me, mine when I'm all alone. And if we all are talking, what will we use? We, us, and ours, which is the plural form. Okay. And it does not signify any gender. We don't come to know when I say I am talking, you don't come to know who, like it's a girl or a boy. Second person is the person who is listening. So who's listening to me right now? You people are listening, right? So for second person, what will I use? You are listening. Yours. This is singular and plural, both. Vivan, your camera is not working. Please get that fixed soon. Okay. Third person means he, him, she, her, it. It is used for whom? We've done the other day. It is used for animals and non-living things, right? They and them is used for a group of people. And for masculine, we use he, him. For feminine, we use she, her. And for neuter gender, we use, for common gender, we use it. When we don't know whether that's a boy or a girl, we use it. And common, we use they and them. Okay. Now let's come to the fill-ups. Exercise A. Anand, answer number 1. The captain and the team members posed with the trophy. Dash had won Dash again after 5 years. Anand, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Yes.
Ma'am, after trophy, it was ye.
Hmm? What, Anand? Can't hear you.
Catherine, ma'am.
After trophy. Anand, answer quickly. We don't have the whole day.
Then what we have to write?
We are discussing right now, Farzan. We are discussing the answers.
Ma'am, I have not go. Ma'am, I have not. Had means. I don't understand this chapter.
I don't understand this chapter. We have not began the chapter. You're saying I've not understood the chapter.
No,
Huh?
ma'am. I have this. You were telling the is he, him, she, her, it, they, them, plural, singular. So I didn't understand that.
You keep your camera off. No, yeah, very good. Keep your camera off. You will understand it better. All those who keep their camera on, no, only they will understand what I teach in the class. Rest, I don't know what you people are doing. Playing games on your devices, maybe. Punch, please answer.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The captain and the team members posed with the trophy, they had won it again after 5 years.
Yes, Anand, what did you not understand in this? This sentence is in third person. First, show me your face on the camera. I can only see your hair. Sit properly and place the device also properly. That's better. Yeah. Now what have you not understood? Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, I was saying that my camera is not working today.
I told you, no, Vivan, that get that fixed. Did you not hear that?
No, ma'am, because your voice was echoing.
Very good. So get your network fixed first, then your camera. Okay? Everybody else, can you hear me well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anand. How do we come to know whether it will be they? What is the sentence? It says the captain and the team members, right? So how many people are there? A lot of people, right? Captain is also there and the team members are also there. So there are a lot of people, right? So for a group of people, which pronoun do we use? I?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can
Then,
I?
Farzan, am I talking to you?
Ma'am, we have third person. That
Correct.
is third person.
So what will we use for them? They, right? I am telling someone else that the captain and the team members posed with the trophy. They had won it. It is what? It is referring to what? The trophy. Trophy is a neuter gender, no? It is not a boy, it is not a girl.
Yes.
Right? So what do we use for neuter gender? We use it. For non-living things and for animals, we use it. Till the time we don't know the gender of the animal, we use it for it.
Now I understand this chapter.
Okay. Now number 2, Kush Kapadia, please answer. The little boy started crying whenever his mother left dash alone. Which pronoun will come here, Kush Kapadia? Number 3, Reva. And number 4, Jahan Jariwala.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Who's this doubt?
Him. Him.
Him, correct. Yes, Anand, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, in third person only one in third person there's we can talk about one person also and more than
Many.
one.
Singular, plural, both. If the third person is one person, we use him or he for that person. Or if it is a girl, we use she or her. But if there are many, we use they and them.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to learn this table in brown, which is showing on top. Okay. You see the table on top of the exercise that you have to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Him. The little boy started crying whenever his mother left him alone. Okay. Number 3, Riva.
Yes, ma'am. Robot asked Akhil, can you get the cup of coffee?
So is a pronoun, Riva. We have to use pronouns here.
Yeah.
Can you get?
Can you get?
Okay. Robert and Akhil are talking to each other, right? Robert and Akhil are talking to each other. And Robert says to Akhil, I am just hearing the conversation. I am the third person here. Okay. I am hearing the conversation going on between Robert and Akhil. And Robert asks Akhil, can you get Dash a cup of coffee? Can you get? Can you get?
Ma'am, me.
Me. Can you get me a cup of coffee?
Ma'am, me.
The conversation is going on between Robert and Akhil, but I am just hearing that conversation. So I am the third person. First person is Robert, second person is Akhil, and third person is me. Robert is the speaker, Akhil is the listener, and I am the one who is narrating that to you. Okay, I was there at the time when this question was being asked. I am assuming that I was there when this question was being asked. Did you get the answer now, children? Why are we using this? Why are we using this first, second, third person? Are you clear about it? Give me a
Yes,
thumbs up.
ma'am.
Any doubts? Please ask now.
Ma'am, your voice was echoing.
My voice is echoing. Log off
Ma'am,
and
can
log
you
in once, Kahan.
Ma'am, yes,
What
it
is
is
the
echoing.
answer of third? Can
And
I?
you give me a cup of coffee. Number four,
can,
Jahan. When
ma'am,
I
can you
enter
say
the office, the
Ma'am,
guard
can
asks,
you? Can you get?
Ma'am, I can't hear.
can you get me a cup of coffee? Number four, Jahan, please answer.
When I entered the office, the guard asked me for the identity card.
When I entered the office, the guard asked me for the identity card. Correct. Number five, Ayansh. Ayansh, please
Yes,
switch on
ma'am.
your cameras, all of you.
Ma'am, my camera is switching on only. Yes.
It was off.
Satish and I saw Satish and I saw some poor children begging in the street. We bought bread and eggs for them.
Yes. Now look at the sentence carefully. Satish and I. Okay. How many people are there? Two. Satish is also there. I am also there. Saw some poor children begging in the street. Now, when two people are there, what pronoun do we use? We. Right? We saw the children begging. Right? We saw the children begging. So, what did we do? We bought bread and eggs for whom? For the children. Now, the children are more than one. So, what pronoun will we use for them?
Ma'am, them.
Them. What the answer, children? Is the answer clear? Why are we using this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, that's all that we'll do today because the
Ma'am, what is
test
the answer?
is. Huh? What we want?
Of
Your camera is
Ma'am,
working now.
answer.
Your camera is working now. Vivan Patel, your camera is working
Yes, ma'am. Because I am from another device.
now. We and them is the answer. We, them.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vansh.
Ma'am, in question 3, we can also write that Robert asked Akhil, can I get you a cup of coffee?
Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I am sending you the link of the CT. It has 20 questions. Please read the questions carefully and then answer and then submit. I've sent the link in the chat box. Please check. have posted it in the classroom also. So in case you're not able to access from the chat box or you get logged off, please access from there also. One sec, children, one sec. Stop doing the test.
And what happened?
Ma'am, why?
Your name is not there.
Ma'am,
One
but
minute.
my email ID is there. It is showing
Wait,
my
wait.
email
No, no,
ID.
no, no, no. Wait, wait, wait.
Yes,
Wait.
ma'am, in my also there is showing my.
Not showing the name column.
Ma'am, can you continue the test?
No, wait, Vacha. I'm sending the link. Wait, edit. See this one.
Ma'am, can you send the link again?
have submitted.
Vihan, what?
I have submitted.
You've submitted.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am doing again because my tablet was glitched. So, ma'am, I am doing again this test.
Who is this? Anant.
I have not submitted, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. Do it slowly, children. You're making mistakes. Some of you've got 2 less, some of you've got 4 less. Read the question carefully.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I have also submitted.
What?
I have also submitted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you send link again? There was a problem in it. When I was no, my tab was down. Ma'am, I also submitted.
Don't announce, children. Just write your marks in the chat box. Don't make announcements. Other people are disturbed.
Ma'am, I have also sent the test.
Ma'am, in fill in the blanks, first blank answer is
Anvi, switch on your camera, please. Anvi, let me. Yeah, who had a question here? First, Phila.
ma'am. In filling the blanks, what is first number answer?
Am I supposed to tell you the answer, Vidisha, right now when the others are doing the test?
Ma'am, in chapter 4.
Tell me that, no? I thought you were asking for the test. Chapter 4 and sentence 1. Sentence
First one.
1 is
First
they,
one.
they, and it. Ibrahim is not there today. What happened to Ibrahim? Tomorrow we have dictation CT, and day after we have the chapter 3 CT. I've received 22 responses. 2 children are still left. Who's still doing? Kahan, why have you raised your hand? Okay, most of you have finished. So we still have time. Let's continue with page number 16. All of you take out page number 16, possessive pronouns. What do you mean by possessive pronouns? The ones which show possession. For example, it shows that whose thing is it? This thing belongs to whom? For example, this pen. I'll say this pen is mine. So who does this pen belong to? Me, right? This pen belongs to me. Ours, that also show possession. This house is ours. This book is his. So that means it shows that the book belongs to whom? This book is his, hers, yours, its, theirs. All these are called possessive pronouns, and they replace the nouns and also show possession, ownership, or belonging. For example, the ball is his and the bat is mine. So what does it show? That shows the bat is mine and the ball is his, right? That the ball belongs to him and the bat belongs to me. That dress is not yours. It is hers. The books are not theirs. So when we are using plural, we use theirs. That books are not theirs. Look at exercise B. These spectacles are John's. So that means, to whom does the spectacle belong to? John. So what is the possessive pronoun that we use for feminine gender? Thus, these spectacles are his. What will we write? These spectacles are his. Write down in the bracket HIS, his. These spectacles are his. My umbrella is broken. May I borrow dash? If my umbrella is broken, whose umbrella will I borrow? If you are along with me, may I borrow the one that belongs to you? So what will I say? May I borrow?
Yours.
Yours, correct. So may I borrow yours? These pills are dash. Whose pills are these? These pills are of my grandmother. So these pills are hers. These pills are hers. HERS, hers. The red dolls are Mickey and Leela's. So the red dolls belong to two people. So what will we write for plural nouns? Theirs, right? We write theirs. There will also become plural. THEIRS, theirs. The bags on the tables are dash. Now there are a lot of bags lying on the table and somebody asks you whose bags are these? So the bags are of a lot of people. So out of those people whose bags are there on the table, one of them answers, the bags on the table are belonging to Shishendu, Sonia and me. So the bags are, whose bags are those? Ours. Whose bags are those? Ours.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom? May I
Yes,
drink
sir.
water?
Yes. So did you understand? I'll repeat the answers. The first one is his, HIS, his. Second one is yours, YOURS, yours. Third is hers. Fourth is theirs. And fifth is ours. Okay. I'll send you the answer key of this in the classroom. So you can check your answers of page 15 and 16. Tomorrow we start with page 17 and 18 and 19. We'll finish this tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we have dictation also. Week 5. Please come prepared. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm submitting the test.
Yes, what, Kahan?
Ma'am, I'm submitting the test.
You've not submitted yet?
No, ma'am.
Why? You were late?
No, ma'am, I am thinking the answer.
Think. Sia, have you submitted? Sia, Ayansh, Man, Farzan. Have you all submitted your...
Yes, ma'am. I have submitted my worksheet.
Okay, so you can log off and get ready for your next class. The time is up. Man and Sia submitted the test. Man and Sia, have you submitted the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please leave the class and get ready for next class.